guys, welcome to the weekly vlog for this week, and it's Saturday morning, and I'm going off to my friend's 18th birthday party today, so happy birthday, Neve. It'll be a bit after your birthday when you're watching this, but yeah, we're going to have afternoon tea at the lounge near where I live, and then we're going out clubbing. This is the third time this week that I've been to Snobs in Birmingham, so I think I should be sponsored by them at this point, to be honest. This is my outfit of the day. This dress is from In The Style, but it's a couple of years old, so I'll try and find an alternative. But it's so pretty, I love this dress. Because it's a bit of a formal dress code, so we're going for afternoon tea. It's all fancy. And later, I'm obviously not going to wear this to the club, so I've got a change of clothes. But I probably won't be able to vlog much today, because that would be a bit strange if I just whipped out a camera. So I'll probably see you tomorrow. It's bonfire night. I'm actually not going out anywhere to a big bonfire, but we're going to do some sparklers in the garden. That'll make do. But Sophie's actually going out, so we're going to do them now. Woo!
What's your music going on
I've got it in my other hand. J-U-L-I-A. Woo!
You want the other?
Well, I haven't done my other one.
Where's the big one?
I didn't get that on camera. Whoops! Guys, so it's Tuesday. Today is quite an exciting day because I just passed my driving theory test. It's only taken how many months? Like a year for me to actually do it. Like, I passed first time. Go me. Like, after like I think I started revising this weekend maybe. I'm so bad when it comes to revision. Like, I hate revision with a passion. Like, my A-levels and GCSEs and stuff, I hate revising. I cannot do it. It really bugs me, and like, I'm just lucky that I genuinely pass and do well on exams. That is one thing I'm very, very thankful for. Like, all of you who put so much effort in, I wish I could be like you. I really do. I just can't. Like, my friends hate me. I know they do, because I just don't really put much effort in when it comes to school revision. But thank God I don't go to school anymore, so it's fine. I've got my exams. Don't have to worry about that ever again. So when it came to this, I hadn't revised in so long, and I was just like, how do I, my brain, it doesn't compute learning things. Like, now I'm all about that, like, just drawing it out and splattering some paint on a page and being like, this is my concept. So when it came to actually learning, like, written things, I was like, how? Sorry? But I passed. I didn't think I was going to, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Also, my Christmas dress arrived, which I'm actually not going to show you. I'm going to keep that a surprise. My Christmas lookbook, which will be coming obviously in December. And it is beautiful. It's literally a princess gown. All I can describe it as. It is glittery, it is a ball gown, and I'm going to find somewhere to wear it. At the minute I'm just like, I'll wear it around the house, I'll wear it to Christmas mass. It's a bit extra for both those things. But oh well. Hi guys, it's Wednesday today. I've had quite a productive morning. I have taken photos for Face Mask Friday, filmed, edited and uploaded a video for another project I'm working on, which I will share with you soon. And I've got dressed for college. I'm about to go do my makeup and dry this hair. Or I usually leave my hair to air dry, but we might have to speed up the process a tiny little bit. Oh, there's two little robins outside. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Oh, I love robins. Oh, that's a bit zoomed in. I've got this little poppy on. Obviously, it's Remembrance Sunday, this Sunday, which will be the day before you see this. So there will be a Instagram post about this, which you would have seen by now. But my little poppy brooch, which I got sent by... I'll leave the brand on the screen now. I cannot remember the name for the life of me, but it's so pretty, and obviously it will fare better than a paper poppy, but I'm going to buy a paper poppy as well, so the money actually goes to the Royal Legion. Royal British Legion? What's it actually called? The British Legion? Royal Legion? You know that one. The poppy one. Because obviously this brand has no partnership with them, so the money that would have been spent on this, you know, it was sent to me, but if, like, you know what I mean, if I bought this, it wouldn't go to helping soldiers or helping anything to do with the war, so. Oh my God, can you hear that? My dad set up the Vienna clock. Yay! Like an Eskimo, but it is guides night tonight. I'm a young leader at guides, soon hopefully to become an actual leader, which is exciting. We're going for a bonfire night. This is so soft, like going for a bonfire at one of the leaders' houses tonight, and it should be exciting. It's been tipping it down all day, so it's gonna be absolutely soaking outside, but whatever, get on with it. That's what guides do. So I'm going to take you along, but I don't know how much I'm actually going to be able to film, so we'll see. Woo! You got sparklers, and look who's back! Eden's back! Woo!
They're probably like that.
She's been at uni, guys. You know her, she's been in many videos.
Right, there are my
favourite from the big gig vlog. It's like a meet-up. Oh God, yeah. Go back to that.
Right, I've got enough for some of you to have a third one. We're already 10 left. First 10 plus 10.